Hi everyone, it's Evie doing another acrylic pour. Okay, so let's get started. All my paints are Artist Loft paints with some Floetrol and some water. So let's start with white on the canvas. Just a little bit of white. Okay. Next we'll do some blue. And finally, let's do some red. I also have some violet. What happens when I tilt it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Very interesting. Okay, let's get some paint on the corners. Since I don't see a lot of red, I will go ahead and use red for the corners. And the sides. I actually like this. You know what? I'm going to tilt it some to the left, see what happens. Okay, so none of my paints have silicone in them, but I'm going to try some heat anyways and see if we can get some cells. No cells, but I do have interesting happenings. Actually, there are a few cells. I see some cells. You know what? This light is really in the way. But I do see cells over here. Some over here this way. I like it. I think next time I'm going to try a lot of blues, a lot of different blues, to maybe do ocean colors, because I can see an ocean in this if this were all blue. Between the white and the blues. Very interesting. Okay, thanks for watching.